Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we're bringing you a flight test of the Skydroid G11 paired with the CUAV X7 Plus flight controller and CUAV C-RTK3 G5. The products used in this flight test include Skydroid G11, CUAV X7 Plus flight controller, and CUAV C-RTK3 G5. Pre-flight preparation. First, power on the drone, but do not install the propellers yet. Then remove the two control sticks from the bottom of the G11 remote controller and install them onto the remote controller. Next, use the remote controller to unlock the motors and check the rotation direction of each motor. After confirming that everything is correct, install the propellers and complete the necessary safety checks before takeoff. After the drone takes off, we first perform some large stick movements. As you can see, the drone is able to maintain a relatively stable flight. The G11 sticks move smoothly with precise center positioning and fast response to remote control commands. The drone responds quickly and accurately to every input, making the overall control experience smooth and intuitive. Next, we perform an emergency stop test. As you can see, the drone experiences a slight loss of altitude during the emergency stop, but it remains generally stable without any obvious shaking or oscillation. Compared with other Skydroid G series remote controllers, the G11 is more compact. Although it has a relatively smaller screen, its overall weight is also significantly reduced, making it more comfortable for long-term use and less likely to cause hand fatigue. At the same time, the G11 is equipped with a 10,000 mAh battery, providing more than 5 hours of battery life. It also supports automatic switching between 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz dual-frequency communication, with a maximum control range of up to 20 kilometers. Through this flight test, we can see that the G11 is compact and lightweight, making it suitable for long-duration flight operations. The control sticks provide a smooth feel with precise center positioning and fast response. When paired with the CUAV X7 Plus flight controller and C-RTK3 G5, the overall flight experience is very good. Overall, the Skydroid G11 paired with the CUAV X7 Plus flight controller and C-RTK3 G5 performed well in this flight test. Whether performing large stick movements or emergency stop operations, the drone was able to maintain a relatively stable flight condition. The G11 is compact and lightweight, with smooth stick operation, fast response, and good battery life, making it a suitable choice for users who need to operate their drones for extended periods. That's all for this Skydroid G11 flight test. If you'd like to learn more about the G11, C-RTK3 G5, and other drone equipment tests and tutorials, don't forget to follow World Drone Market. We'll see you in the next video.